square root of 125 is in between which two rational numbers? So what I'm going to do is just start writing down some of my perfect squares that I know, because that's going to be in between two rational numbers. So I'm just going to start with, I'm not going to start with 1, because 1 times 1 is 1 and 2 times 2 is 4. So let's just start with, let's start with 7 times 7. So the square root of 49, 7 times 7 is 7, because 7 times 7 is 49, therefore the square root of 49 is 7. The square root of 64 is 8. 8 times 8 is 64, therefore the square root of 8, I'm sorry, the square root of 64 is 8. Square root of 81 is 9. 9 times 9 is 81, therefore the square root of 9, or 81 is 9. Square root of 100 is 10. Square root of 121 is 11. Square root of 144 is 12. Oh, wait a second. I found a number in between. I found one below and one above. The square root of 125 would fit right here in between. Therefore, you can say that the square root of 125 is in between 11 and 12, because this is the square root of 121, and 12 is the square root of 144. So, there you go.